Today is the sixth session of the first chapter, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organization. So in this session, we will learn how to prepare the financial statements, because you have 12 marks problem, financial statements of not-for-profit organization. In that financial statement, you have to prepare, your answer is income and expenditure account and balance sheet, and you will be given in the problem the balance sheet and receipts and payments account and adjustments. Today we will take the problem number 3. Following are the balance sheet and receipts and payments account of Durga Sports Club. Balance sheet is given on 1/1/2017. This is last year balance sheet. Receipts and payment account is given for 2017, 31st December 2017. This is current year receipts and payments account. So by taking last year balance sheet, current year receipts and payments account and unrecorded adjustments, we have to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet of the current year, and we have to find out profit or loss and the financial position of the organization. Let's start with the question here. Balance sheet as on 1/1/2017. In the balance sheet, you have outstanding salary, you have capital fund, you have cash balance, outstanding subscription is sports material and furniture. Liability side, you have outstanding salary and capital fund. See, income and expenditure account is a summary of incomes and expenses of the current year. It is an account in which only revenue receipts and revenue expenditure of current year is recorded. Last year is not recorded. Okay. So because of that, whatever the outstanding items given in the last year balance sheet, see, there is a outstanding salary, there is a outstanding subscription. Whatever the outstanding items given in the last year balance sheet, you have to deduct. Okay. Capital fund, you have to record on the liability side. Cash balance, this is last year cash balance, don't record it. Outstanding subscription, you have to deduct. Sports material is an assets for sports organization. Furniture is an assets for sports organization. You have receipts and payments account. Two balance brought down. This is last year balance, 7,300. Last year the cash and bank balance, don't record it. See the other items. You have to identify the other items. If these items are revenue receipts, record in the income and expenditure account. If these items are capital receipt, then record in the balance sheet. Okay, we'll see here. Subscription is received annually. What is revenue? Anything is received regularly is revenue. Anything received every day, cash received every day, money received every day, every month, every year is revenue receipt, recurring in nature. Subscription is received annually, so it is a revenue receipt. Entrance fee, capitalize entrance fee. In the fourth adjustment, you have to capitalize the entrance fee. That means entrance fee is a capital receipt. Sale of old newspaper, it is disposed regularly, revenue receipt. Sale of old sports material, it is disposed by sports club regularly, it is a revenue receipt. Rent received every month, it is a revenue receipt. See, there are 5 items. 4 items were capital receipt, 1 item is revenue receipt. Subscription, sale of sports material, sale of newspaper, rent, record in the income and expenditure account, and entrance fee, capital receipt, record in the balance sheet. Subscription, sale of old sports newspaper, sale of old sports material, rent. 4 items are revenue receipts, record on the income side of revenue, income and expenditure account. Entrance fee is a capital receipt, record in the balance sheet. Okay, we will start the recording. Subscription, it is a revenue receipt, record on the income side. By subscription, 38,000. Now you have to see the outstanding item. Outstanding given in the balance sheet, you have to minus. Outstanding given in the adjustment, you have to add. Outstanding subscription, 1,200 last year, minus outstanding subscription, 1,200. First adjustment, subscription outstanding for the year 2017. Current year outstanding, you have to add. Add outstanding subscription for current year 3,000. So 38,000. 38,000 is the subscription. Last year outstanding 1,200 minus 36,800. Current year outstanding 3,000. You have to add. So add 3,000, 39,800. Now next is subscription received in advance. If it is given in balance sheet, you have to add. If it is given in adjustment, you have to minus. Okay, reverse treatment. Outstanding given in balance sheet minus, outstanding given in adjustment, add. Received in advance given in balance sheet, you have to add. Received in advance given in adjustment, you have to minus. See, received in advance is not given in the balance sheet. There is no deduction. Received in, there is no addition. Received in advance is not given in the balance sheet. There is no addition. Received in advance, adjustment number 2, subscription received in advance, given in the adjustment. So you have to minus. What is the treatment? Outstanding given in balance sheet minus, outstanding given in adjustment, add. Received in advance given in balance sheet, you have to add. Received in advance given in adjustment, you have to minus. Reverse treatment. Okay. So second adjustment, subscription received in advance 1,000 rupees. So you have to minus. So 39,800 minus 1,000, 38,800. Okay. You have to learn this treatment. Outstanding and received in advance. Once again I will repeat. Outstanding given in balance sheet minus, outstanding given in adjustment, add. Subscription received in advance given in balance sheet, add. Subscription received in advance given in adjustment, minus. Received in advance is not given in the balance sheet. Don't do any addition. Received in advance is given in the adjustment. So do deduct it. So received in advance 1,000 minus. Okay, subscription is over. This is over. Entrance fee, don't take it. Why you should not take? Because it is a capital receipt. Capital receipt you have taken in balance sheet. Sale of old sports material, revenue receipt, record here. By sale of old sports material, 200 rupees. Sale of newspaper. Sale of old sports material, 1,200. It is also revenue receipt, record. By sale of old sports material, 1,200. Rent is also revenue receipt, record. By rent, 7,000 rupees. Okay. So subscription, sale of old newspapers, sale of old sports material, rent. These four are revenue receipts. So we have recorded on the credit side of income and expenditure account, that is income side. Go to the payment side. Payment side you have salary. You have to see here the items, 8 items were given. Only revenue payments you have to take. Revenue payments are revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. Other assets record in the balance sheet. By salary, salary is paid every month. It is a revenue expenditure. It is paid regularly. It is a revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. Okay. So salary 10,000 rupees. To salary 10,000 rupees. At the time of recording, seized any outstanding. Last year balance sheet, outstanding salary is given. This belongs to last year, 2,000 rupees. What I told you, last year outstanding you have to minus, current year outstanding you have to add. See, this is last year outstanding minus, less outstanding salary, 2,000 rupees, deduct 8,000 rupees. Okay. Next, purchase of sports material. Sports material is an asset to the sports club. So don't record in income and expenditure account, record in balance sheet. Investment is an asset, record in the balance sheet. Fixed deposit, deposited in some bank, fixed deposit. It is also asset, record in the balance sheet. Postage is a daily expenses, it is revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. To postage, 300 rupees. General expenses is a daily expenses, it is also revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. To general expenses, 400. Lighting charges, it is paid every month, so it is a revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. To lighting charges. See, at the time of recording the lighting charges, there is an outstanding lighting charges given in last adjustment. Outstanding lighting charges, 300 rupees. What I told you, outstanding given in balance sheet minus, outstanding given in adjustment, add. So, lighting charges, to lighting charges 1,300, add outstanding lighting charges 300, total 1,600. Balance carried down. So balance carried down means cash and bank balance, it is an asset, record in the balance sheet. Over. Come to the adjustment. Subscription outstanding, you have added over. Subscription received in advance, you have deducted over. Depreciate sports material by 5,000 rupees. Depreciation is a revenue expenditure, non-cash expenses. Revenue expenditure, record on the debit side. To depreciation on sports material, 5,000. Then capitalize entrance fee. Entrance fee you have to capitalize. Capital means you have to treat it as capital receipt. Show in the balance sheet. Outstanding lighting charges 300 rupees. So you have already added here outstanding lighting charges 300. So you have treated all the adjustment once. Okay. Let's see the income and expenditure account. First we will see the income side. Income side is total, if you do the total 47,200. Expenditure side you have 8,300, 400, 1,600, 5,000. So from 47,200 deduct 8,300, 400, 1,600, 5,000. Then you will get the balance 31,900. Income is more, expenditure is less. So this is treated as surplus. This is called as a surplus, 31,900. Now we go to the balance sheet. To prepare the balance sheet, you have to see the last year balance sheet. Last year balance sheet, outstanding salary. This you have deducted here. Capital fund, take on the liability side. Capital fund, opening balance, 32,500. If there is any capital receipt here, add it. See, there is only one capital receipt, entrance fee, add it. Add entrance fee, 2,000. Okay. After that, if there is a surplus, add it. If there is a deficit, deduct it. But in this problem, there is a surplus, 31,900. Add it to add surplus, 31,900. So the capital fund is opening balance 32,500. Capital receipt entrance fee add 2,000 and surplus 31,900. Total 66,400. So that's it. There is no any other liability. Now go to the asset side. Cash balance is last year cash balance. Outstanding subscription you have already deducted. Sports material is an asset. Record asset side. Sports material. So there is a purchase of sports material. Last year they had a sports material of 16,000. This year they have purchased 6,000. Add it. Two purchases 6,000. Total sports material is 22,000. Deduct depreciation 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees you have to deduct depreciation. So deduct depreciation 5,000. So balance of sports material is 17,000. After sports material, furniture, asset. Take furniture asset. There is no addition, there is no depreciation. Take it as it is. Then come to the payment side. Salary is over, purchase of sports material is over. Investment, it is an asset. So take it on the asset side, 20,000. Fixed deposit, asset. Take it on the asset side, 10,000. Then postage, general expenses, lighting charges, you have already recorded in the income and expenditure account. Balance carried down means cash and bank balance. It is current year cash and bank balance. It is an asset. Record here. Cash and bank balance 7,700. So we have taken all the items from balance sheet and receipts and payments account. Now we have to see the adjustment. Adjustments. See, outstanding means what? Either organization has to pay or organization has to receive. If the organization has to pay, it is a liability. Show on the liability side. If the organization has to receive, it is an asset. Show on the asset side. Subscription outstanding means the subscription the organization has to receive. So it is an asset. Show on the asset side. Outstanding subscription 3,000. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance means next year subscription received this year. This year it is a liability. Show on the liability side. Subscription received in advance. Depreciate sports material 5,000. So you have already treated twice here. Once you have recorded in the income and expenditure account, again you have deducted here. Capitalize entrance fee. You have already taken. You have added to capital fund. Outstanding lighting charges. We have to pay. Outstanding lighting charges means we have to pay. It is a liability. Show on the liability side. Outstanding lighting charges. See, the adjustment you have to treat twice. Outstanding subscription given in the adjustment you have to add and you have to show on the asset side. Subscription received in advance you have to deduct given in the adjustment. Subscription received in advance given in the adjustment you have to deduct and you have to show on the liability side. Depreciation you have to show on the expenditure side. Again you have to deduct from the concerned asset. Capitalized entrance fee you have to add to capital fund. Outstanding lighting charges you have given in the adjustment you have to add in the income and expenditure account and we have to pay. Show on the liability side. It is a liability. So if you do the total of assets and liability, it is 67,700. So this is the problem you have to practice In the next session, we will continue the same problems. 3 more problems we will cover. After it, we will go for the next chapter. Thank you for this session.